Hi guys, so today we're in the P38 Range Rover again, and I'm gonna explain to you how all the buttons work. So first of all is the steering wheel. So we have 7 buttons. So this is for the volume for the radio, this is for the channel select for the radio, this is for mode, this is to set the cruise control, then this is to resume the cruise control. This is for the gas lid, which will only activate if the engine is off. This is for the dimmer switch for the instrument cluster to adjust the brightness. This is for the audible warning speed limit, which you can set through the BECM. Then this letter I is for the different modes in the instrument cluster, which can show you the average fuel consumption, range remaining, and the trip to odometer. This is to reset the trip to odometer, this black button here. This is to adjust the speed of the wiper, intermittent wiper control. And then this is for the rear windshield wiper washer. This is for the front windshield washer. This is for the headlights. This is for the front fog lights. This is for the rear fog lights. Both of these turn on only when dip beam is turned on. So this is for the electronic air suspension. So you push it once to go up, then you push it once to go to access down. Highway is only selected when the vehicle is more than a certain speed along the highway. This is for the inhibit switch, which is useful for towing, so that the vehicle will not go down to the highway setting at speed. So this is for the hazard switch. And then this is to activate the cruise control, which is also supplemented by the buttons in the steering wheel. This is for the front heated windshield. This is for the rear heated windshield. This is for the heated seats. This is for the different airflow vents. These two are to adjust the temperature. This is to adjust the fan speed, seen there. This is to turn off the air conditioning. This is for the recirculation. This is for the sport mode and the manual mode, which it's sport for if it is in high range, as you can see there, and then it's manual if it is in low range. So with the center switch, these are for the windows, and then the one in the bottom is for the mirror, the one here. Then this is for the left and right mirror. This is to deactivate the rear window access for children. This is for the sunroof, and this is to open the center console, and this is to open the glove box. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video is really helpful for you guys P38 owners. Please subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you.